What's up, guys? This is Luis El Apóstol Feliz here, coming to say happy Tuesday to everybody. Now, I got to see 2 trash trucks today, and I know conditions are not all that nice today. Conditions today are not the greatest to be outside, but we needed it. But we needed this rain. You could see. We needed this rain, so hope everybody enjoys this video on this garbage truck on this Tuesday. Yeah, it's not the sunniest, it's not the prettiest day to be outside, but you know, who really gives a brokim about it? But hope you guys really enjoy this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe, and I hope everybody enjoyed this New Year's, and happy 23 to all of you. Bye.